Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.